This project is a strong example of how thoughtful planning can solve a space problem without starting over. The original building was a 30 by 40 by 10 with a 4/12 roof pitch. When additional storage was needed, instead of replacing the structure, a 30 by 20 by 10 addition was designed alongside the existing building. Rather than removing the original exterior wall, it was left intact. That creates a separate interior zone, while still allowing the buildings to function together as one connected space, preserving structure while adding flexibility. To visually unify the project, a 12 by 60 by 8 lean-to was added across both the original building and the expansion. That lean-to ties everything together so the finished result feels intentional rather than added on later. Because the lean-to was installed on leveled ground instead of concrete, concrete support anchors were used to provide long-term stability. The base rail was removed and framed sections were added to shape the layout, but the anchoring system is what secures the structure properly. In many cases, building new can be more cost-effective, but when space is limited or the existing structure still serves its purpose, a well-planned expansion like this can be the right solution. From the outside, the building reads as one cohesive structure, balanced and purposeful. And the roofline transition shows how careful planning allows an addition to blend seamlessly into the original design.